All right, guys, so real quick, I wanted to let you know we restocked some hoodies on the website. First one is the standard MD, like basic shop style. Second is our new design here. It's our weather distorted look. Honestly, my favorite one we've ever done.
Maybe tell them it's like a limited stock if we're getting into summer.
Limited stock. We're not going to run these that long. We're getting into like hoodie weather here in Pittsburgh again for early spring. Next one is a camo, just stealth style with the Modern Diesel company in the black. Also very cool. It's kind of stealth. It kind of blends in with the camo. I didn't want something that was going to super like look kind of goofy. But yeah, 3 designs, new hoodie restock on the website. Hit the first link description. Shop Modern Diesel. Stinks like brakes, cool as a whistle, dude. 201 on the transmission and 188 on the engine oil. Giving her back-to-back runs, and she's staying cool as a cucumber. Wants to run.
I feel like it's meant to run.
This truck is an absolute ripper, dude. Dude, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, man. It's gonna. This could probably beat the Ram, the TRX.
If it could get into the wheels, it might.
I forgot how fast this thing is.
I ain't ever gone that fast.
I literally forgot how fast this was. That was easing on the gas, 3rd, 4th, into 5th.
I don't think I've ever been in the truck with you getting on like that.
Letting off, as soon as you shift to 5th, I immediately had to let off. And that's like, we were going sketchy for this road. If the transmission doesn't explode and we can really like hammer it, it'll beat the
It's got to
TRX.
get off the, how's it going to pull off the start though? Because that's where it's
four-wheel
gonna
launch, boosted launch.
If it gets off the line like the TRX does, this thing's going to eat it.
Yeah.
I mean, this is what, 700 wheel horsepower, is it not?
Yeah, that's like
That's
590.
590 wheel horsepower. About the tranny. It's hitting hard.
Yeah, I don't know if it can take it. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if she's gonna take it. All right, so we know that it rips, but can we do like highway pulls with it? 45 rolling 40, new boosted.
This ain't your exit.
Oh, I'm gonna get off this one and get back down and do it again. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
That was a miss. You might have just exploded her. Ooh, it didn't like that. Did you hear? Did the camera pick that up? That was straight 4th gear misfire. Well, that answers my question about the highway pulls. Rolling.
That was not good. Whatever
that?
That was not good.
What was that, dude?
I don't know what that was, pal.
Uh-oh. If it wouldn't have done that, this thing will.
Unless that's my.
Oh yeah, guys, we got a grill and a propane bottle in the back, a propane tank, little one for like a grill, but. Look at this. That ain't ain't even a propane grill. That's a mini charcoal. Guys, JB's been using the Platinum as a company truck. Is that my glove?
No.
Record. Got it. Now, I don't know how many more of those that she has in her. You know what I'm saying? Like, maybe one more of those, a bad one. No more driving for the trucky. Oh, I don't know. Let's try it, see what'll happen here. That was third gear, like boosted highway launch to try to smoke the TRX. I have a feeling that this is gonna burn that thing down.
You might want to check to make sure there's no cops at the.
If it doesn't burn the transmission down, it will burn the TRX down. This thing has power and it just wants to go. Okay, third gear boost. Hear the turbo, hear the turbo? Don't like it. It did it, but I stayed on it last time I let off, and it got into gear.
It hesitates hard.
It hesitates very hard, third to fourth. It wasn't doing that earlier though. Maybe
well, this is probably like the 8th time you've done it.
Okay, so maybe we got to race the TRX like first thing of the day before we go out and wreck it with a bunch of runs or something, you know? It's gonna be interesting though. See, the TRX is very consistent and very capable of running, you know, running away from this thing. This thing can outrun that, but...
And I think it's gonna pull hard on the third to fourth. The third to fourth is where it's gonna pull away, in my opinion.
I don't know what else we can do as of right now, so I guess that she's ready for battle. What else can we do? Do a transmission service on her, put some fresh fluid in it?
I don't think that's gonna do it, bud.
Guys, we're getting the truck ready for the great race. So this is I bought the truck new, okay, my truck, and the brakes are 100% stock. Never touched the rear brakes. I have done the front brakes once, never touched the rear. The truck's sitting at what, 92,000 miles?
Yeah.
92 and some change on the rig here, and I mean, the brake pads are getting there, but I mean, we could still run those.
At 92,000 miles, that's unheard of.
And I mean, look at the rubber that's on this truck. This truck has not been used lightly. Should we change them? Should we leave them? I mean, we have them.
I mean, I ain't gonna lie. If these ones last another 90-some thousand miles, I think we'll be okay.
I mean, the gosh dang brake pads are gonna outlast the truck here. Hey, the decision, we're leaving them. We're seeing if we can get 100K on the factory rear brakes. Dude. I mean, what? Dang, Pennsylvania winters, man, really have did the truck in bad. She's gonna be ready for battle. Trying out for NASCAR.
Dude, I was watching them cats the other day.
Oh, bud. Alrighty, guys, we made it back successfully. The transmission isn't laying under the truck. Got any shift kits? Guys, JB's also wearing one of our prototype example hats. I think I've showed you that before a while ago. Never pursued it. What do you want? You want one of them? You guys want one of those? Let me know in the comments. We'll put them on the website. I don't know if I've ever covered the turbo on that in this video. That turbo is the SPE Emperor turbo. That's the S370 ball bearing kit, which is a little bigger than, you know, the factory VGT, obviously. But it wants to scream. Now that truck is a designated tow truck, we might change that around or do something additional or just swap that out of there. But I don't know, we'll do a towing video with it. I haven't towed heavy with the truck yet with that, but I'm sure if you just put it in manual mode, it'll be absolutely fine. But that turbo is a screamer. It sounds really good, and it just works so well with that truck. Very happy, very happy. What are you looking at?
This whole thing might have been a parking lot. There's asphalt right here.
He's out exploring the yard, dude. What do you think, partner?
This is, oh,
Huh?
back in 1964, they had an old factory here that used to sit there and produce, you know,
Rambling.
had it.
This was a shingle factory.
Shingle factory it was. It was about 10 employees, and they just come down here every day, Monday through Friday.
Making shingles.
And that's just what it was.